Hi students, and welcome to week 3 in your online general psychology course. I can't believe it's already week 3 and taking us to the middle of September, and hopefully those temperatures will drop and it'll feel more like fall here soon. So let's take a look at this week's module. This week we're moving on to chapter 2, which is really making a case for psychology being a science. So it will take you through research and understanding the scientific method, process, and so forth. We're actually going to spend 2 weeks in this chapter. So this week you won't have a quiz. The chapter 2 quiz will come next week, okay? So for this week, you have 2 assignments in Connect. One is on the concept clip scientific method, and the other one is on matching different types of research and designs. So that's your assignment list for this week. Catch your breath a little bit. I know it's been a very quick start here, and just know that next week we will still be in chapter 2, and you'll have other assignments and then your quiz next week. So nothing you need to worry about for this week. While I have you here, I do want to just kind of walk you through what you need to do to read your textbook, okay? So I'm over here in the blue font. I click on McGraw-Hill Connect, and my Connect account will come up. You'll go to your Connect section. Mine may look just a little bit different, but the gist of it is exactly the same. For some reason, I'm thinking this populates to the left-hand side on your page. But nonetheless, somewhere on your page, you will see a picture of your textbook, The Science of Psychology. Don't worry about this book that has the red cover. We're only using this one that has a white background with an orange slice on it. And you'll click on that. And it will take you right into the reader for the chapter. Now, some of you may not get this when you click on it, and that is most likely because of a pop-up blocker that is on your computer or device that you're using. So you will need to disable that pop-up blocker or any pop-up blockers, which usually come up up here under the URL somewhere in yellow. The best thing to do if you don't easily spot your pop-up blocker, if you're experiencing that, is to Google the type of computer or device that you're working on and how do I disable pop-up blockers, and it'll walk you through because it can be different for every computer that we might be working on, okay? So once that is disabled, your pop-up blocker, then it should go straight to this like you just saw it do on my computer. And then you will click on the table of contents. I think it's a little confusing here. Sometimes you've got to scroll down. Sometimes it comes up right there. It kind of depends on if it's your first time using it or not. But for mine, it's already there. So it's going to take me right into the pages, and I can scroll, or I can advance the page this way, or I can click on this and have it read to me. So you see there's several options there. If it is your first time opening the book up, I have seen it on some students where it doesn't have it just kind of has an outline, and you need to keep scrolling, and then you'll see chapter 1, the chapters start over, and that's probably where it is for you. I guess because the more often you go there, it knows what you're looking for. I'm not really sure how the technology works where it just comes up right for me, but I have watched students do it and know that they need to keep scrolling a little further to actually see the pages of the chapter rather than just an outline. So I hope these little tips on your textbook help. And again, just to repeat myself, this week we are in chapter 2. It's week 3, but chapter 2, we're covering the first part of the chapter. So 2 Connect assignments, and that's all you have for this week. Next week, we'll stay in this. You'll do a research design mock-up. You'll get to create your own research experiment, and then you'll see chapter 2's down there. But again, those aren't due until September 24th. This week, your assignments are due on Sunday, September 17th. Have a great week, everyone, and I'll be back next week to talk about week 4. Take care.